What's up, everybody, and welcome back to the channel. This is installment number 4, I think. Yeah, installment number 4 of my Alpha Outpost What's Inside unboxing series. This one's going to be short and simple. Everything in this box is pretty self-explanatory. So I'm just going to reach down in here and start grabbing some stuff up. And we'll talk about it as we get to it. This month's box is called Bino. And as always, here is the card with everything that comes inside. This one came with a decal. Not sure where I'll put that, but it'll go somewhere. And as always, here's a little patch. It says Lost on it. So I guess this is geared more towards scouting, finding your way in and out of places. You guys will understand a little bit more about that as I get farther into the box. So we have trail marker tags. This is something I really never thought to carry on me, but it's actually a pretty smart thing to have. Each one of these has that reflective surface on it. I don't know if I can get a nice shine on that, but yeah, that nice fancy little reflective surface. So basically, as you're walking your trails, me personally, I would be sticking this on the back side of every tree that I pass, so that way on my way back through, as long as I keep finding these, I know I'm headed home. So these are actually pretty cool. They're visible up to 200 yards. They're made out of steel and says that it's perfect for hunting, camping, and hiking. There's 50 of these things in there. Next on the list, I haven't even opened this box yet. Man, they're super nice. Comes with a strap, some owner's manual, and a little tiny little lentless cloth for cleaning your screen or your lenses out. This thing adjusts in so many ways. So these adjust. Your depth of field is over here. Man, these are nice. I like these a lot. So let's see if I can give you all a peek through here. That sun is not helping any. Trying to get y'all the best sight picture I can. It really doesn't do justice for the magnification on these things, but it's the best I can do, man. So yeah, I'm super happy with these. I like them. And then yeah, the larger lens covers are attached, which I like that. I don't like losing stuff. The smaller ones are not attached. But you can surely attach them. So not only does it already come with this nice little bag here, it comes with harness for these things as well. Actually a pretty nice harness. So yeah, you wear this over your shoulders, you run these bad boys into your binoculars, and then there you go. I'm not gonna go through putting this thing on. I'll do that at home or something. And then finally, the last thing in this box, I didn't know what this was at first. I saw it and I was like, well, this is goofy looking. It's actually to clean your lenses. Let's get that little bit of fuzzy off of there. Yeah. So you got that one. Guess you got some real dusty issues. Not only is there this side, this comes out, and then you have an angled side so you can get in those little corners and edges and stuff. It's nice and soft and flexy. I like that. But see, this thing, I'm gonna end up using this for like scopes and especially my camera gear. This will probably stay with my camera stuff, to be honest with you. I might toss it in the bag with the binoculars, but at this point, yeah, I use this for, yeah, like I said, for my scopes, for binoculars and stuff, for these cameras. I really like that. So yeah. I'm using the zoom, so this picture's probably not going to be the clearest. So there you have it. This is your April 2020 Alpha Outpost unboxing video. Stay tuned for the next one. I'm actually going to start trying to get these done closer to the middle of the month. I've been pushing them out towards the end of the month because anybody else who has this box kind of don't want to ruin it for them. So I've been kind of trying to balance a decent time to put these out with respecting spoilers for anybody else who has these boxes. I'm guilty at looking up boxes for the month that I'm getting because, you know, I want to know what's in there so that way I can make sure that everything I need is readily available to crank out these videos for you guys. But I'll try to find a better balance of getting them out closer to the time that I get them. I usually get them about a week or two before these videos come out, so I'll work on getting them done a little sooner. Yeah, I appreciate you guys hanging out with me, and as always, don't forget to like and subscribe and come outside. I'll be here. I cleanse the drought with the sweat coming off my balls.